Stone Floor Cleaning Guilford by Fabritec Stone Care. As a homeowner, you take pride in keeping your home clean and pristine. But when it comes to your natural stone floors, it can be a frustrating and daunting task. You've searched high and low for a reliable stone floor cleaning service in Guildford. But you can't find a company to meet your standards. That's where Fabritec Stone Care comes in. We don't just clean your floors, we restore them. Our unique process removes dirt and grime and brings out the natural beauty of your stone floors. You'll be amazed at the difference our services can make. So if you're tired of struggling to keep your stone floors clean, give Fabritec a call. We'll take care of everything from start to finish, leaving you with floors that shine like new. For the best value and quality, call 0779 860 8640 now.